take a look at how to use Raptor's 1K Touch Up Paint. Now there's a few things you're going to need before you get started. A can of Raptor's Touch Up Paint, some degreaser, P180 to 220 grit sandpaper, and some rags. If you have any small areas of bare metal on the surface or rub through areas from sanding, you'll need Raptor's Acid Edge Primer. And last but not least, you need to gear up with some personal protective equipment and work in a well ventilated area. Today we're going to transform some side mirrors, so you want to remove them from the car to get the best result. We're also going to mask up all the areas we don't want to paint and give the surface a clean and degrease and blow it off. Next up, we're going to sand the surface with P180 to 240 grit sandpaper and degrease and clean again. Now this step is optional when you're painting plastic, as the product will stick directly to it. However, we're going to give it a paint in 1K primer just to fill in those scratches and make it so the top coat doesn't show up any of the imperfections underneath. If you want to know more about this product, head to our website and check out the video for that one. If you did prime it though, you'll need to sand it again with P400 to 600 grit sandpaper and give it a clean before overcoating. Shake the can for at least 2 minutes and hold the can 15 to 25 centimeters from the surface and apply 2 to 3 even coats. Make sure you allow 5 to 10 minutes flash off time in between coats and let it flash off for 60 minutes before handling or top coating. Once finished, turn the can upside down and spray it until it runs clear and chuck it back on the shelf for next time. And if you wanted a top coat, apply Raptor's 1K Pro Enamel Diamond Clear 60 minutes after your last coat. And if it's been more than 8 hours, scuff the surface first. Before you get started on your project, make sure you head to raptorcoatings.com.au to check out the rest of the range and have a look at our safety and technical data sheets.